So I have another unboxing by Luvme hair, and this one is a headband wig. It's an 18-inch Jheri curl headband wig. So it's gonna give you more like our natural hair look. It's gonna be big, and when you open up the box, you get this little thing that says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on." So that's what you get. You also get, so yeah, it comes with 5 headbands. I don't necessarily care for these, but I'm sure I'll wear it in the summer because sometimes you want to, give yourself a different look. But it comes with 5 headbands, and I think I could definitely pull these off. Yeah, and also in the box, it has this little packet, and like I said before in my previous video, it just has elastic, edge brush, bobby pins, the Luvme hair clip, and the box also has tweezers and a wig cap. So that comes standard when you get a wig from Luvme, and that's why I love them, because I feel like they gave you like a little kit that you're definitely gonna need. So now onto the wig. Oh, sorry, it comes in this little pouch. I already took it out. Of course, it has this little net, and this is it. So these curls look very auntie, giving auntie vibes, but I can already tell when you pull this out, this will look like our hair, you know what I mean? And it's gonna give it like a big fluff look, and this is the headband. But a lot of people were complaining. I've watched so many reviews on this wig, and a lot of people said it's really small and it's not big head friendly. But keep in mind, it's not supposed to be on your whole head, but I know I have a big head, so I'm worried about this. So like I said, it's real auntie vibes, but I'm gonna pull it out and wet it. But you know what's crazy? It actually fit. Like, look, I have braids under here, but I took one braid out right here, slicked the edges down, put some edge control, and it looks pretty good. So I'm back. I sprayed water on it. I have a hair mister, and so it misses the hair for you, and see, I'm running out of water in it, but it's supposed to miss, but I'm running out of water. I also have something that I use called Wet Look, and I put water, so you put 1 part Wet Look and 2 parts water in this, and it's going to condition your curls. It's going to be giving you everything you want it to give. It's so good. Like, I use it on all my curly hair. But yeah, no more auntie vibes. Definitely no more auntie vibes. Definitely naturalista. And like I said before, the wig fit perfect. You can do so many styles with this. Like, look at this, half up, half down. Definitely cute. I love the package that they gave you, because everything you have, you will use. So let's try some of these headbands. So this is the fatigue one. Okay, so the fatigue headband, this is what it's giving. You want to cover that part, but this is what it's giving. I still like it. It's cute. It's definitely schoolgirlish, but yeah, I love it. Let's see if we could do the half up, half down. Look at this, how it looks. This is how it looks. It looks so good. I love it. Half up, half down. You can do it all the way up without. So this one kind of goes like this. So I guess you gotta put it on. This is for the back. And so like this, and then you pull the back up. Pull the back up. I'm gonna go get a scrunchie and I'm gonna come back. I'm back with my scrunchie. So let me pull this up. Back. Let's pull it up from the back. And this is, I mean, obviously if I had more time I would be able to do something more with it, but you get the idea. It looks cute. Let me take this off so you guys can see. It's so cute. You could wear this to the gym like this, because like I said, it has the elastic band that covers it, so you don't really see anything. But you could wear it to the gym up like this. You don't feel like you're bumming it. I would totally wear this out. I would. With this look like this, I would wear this. I really would. But definitely, I love it down. I love a good half up, half down. So you know I gotta try that. So take a little bit of the hair in the front, a little bit of hair, on the side, and then put it in the scrunchie. Definitely a look for me. It's definitely something I'd wear, and I love it. I freaking love this. Like, I don't think I could have been, like I was saying before, you spritz it with the water bottle and you see how it mixes. You mixed it and it gives you see? And it's a good mist. I think water will be this unit's best friend, because you don't want to. I don't believe in putting a lot of product in curly hair. I might do a leave-in conditioner if it's a hot day and I don't want the hair to like get frizzy when I go outside. But water is truly your best friend when it comes to hair like this, just because water will give you what you need it. Like, it'll drench it and make the curls more defined. But like I said, if you're gonna go outside, I would do a leave-in conditioner, then lock it in with wet it, leave-in conditioner, lock it in with a wet look.